Hey guys, Katie here. So today I am doing another Tigermist try on haul. Like I said in my last Tigermist video, they did extend this sale, so I just literally got my hands on everything that I could. That being said, let's jump straight into the try on haul. Again, I have a giant package. So this is the first top right here. This is the Antares, This is the Antares top. I'm pretty sure everything I got is in a size small, but yeah, I am really excited for this because as you guys saw in my last try on haul, I have the matching shorts to this, so it's just gonna be such a cute vibe, and I'm living for this. I love that so much. So this is the Antares top. This is so cute. So this is just the next top right here. There's a lot of like extra thread right there, so I'm just gonna cut that off because I cannot deal with extra thread. Okay, so this is just the Sweetheart crop in red. They honestly have so many different colors of this crop. It looks pretty thin, but I love this so much. It's like a ribbed material, and it has like a ruching in the middle right there. So I don't know, it's just so cute. And then it goes like off the shoulder a little bit. I love it so much. Oh my god. And I also love when crop tops are like fully sleeved, you know? I don't know. And really quick, I wanted to show you guys what the Sweetheart crop looks like with the red floral shorts that I got in my last Tigermist haul. I'm pretty sure these are the Arcadia shorts, but yeah, they look really cute together. This feels so good. Oh, ooh, this is my bodysuit. Confused.
1 hour later.
So you wear it like that, but then I have no clue. I'm gonna have to look on the website how to wear this, like how it looks on the model. Oh wait, is that how you do it? There we go. So it's like a backless bodysuit. So it's backless and sleeveless. And then it also has a rubber elastic thing right here so that it won't fall down. It's a thong bodysuit with a snap closure. And this material is just insanely soft. But this is just the Friage Bodysuit in Sorbet. I'm really excited to wear this. I love this color. Oh my god, it's so pretty. You guys, this bodysuit is so nice. It's like the nicest bodysuit I freaking have. It's so comfy, like, oh my god. It's actually like long enough for my torso. And I just paired it with these white and green tie-dye pants. Oh my goodness. I'm obsessed with this bodysuit. These and all the joggers are definitely my fave in this haul. Oh my god, it is stunning. I love this color so much. Okay, next up is sweatpants. Yes. If you have been watching me for a while, you would know that your girl loves comfort. Honestly, like, I just love comfort so much. And growing up, I was like half tomboy, half like girly girl. So I really love my sweats. So I got, what are these? This is the Shiloh track pant in green. So tie-dye has been like such a crazy huge trend this summer. And I just freaking love this. Like when they came out with all this stuff, I got really excited, and then yeah, I just had to get my hands on like all of these. But yeah, I just love how it's like a light lime green color and then just white throughout. I just love how this is done. Oh, it's so nice. I cannot wait to try these on, and I can't wait to wear these, honestly. I also love how they have pockets on the inside, because I feel like a lot of women's sweatpants just like don't have pockets, which is so weird. But yeah. And then on the bottom, it just tapers in to like an elastic band at the ankle. And I love when the joggers have this at the end. I don't know, it's just so cute. I just really like it. And I love how it just comes up, you know? I don't even know. I just freaking love these, you guys. Yes! This would actually be really cute with the bodysuit. So, I'm guessing that these are the Shiloh pants as well. Yes, these are the Shiloh track pant in tan. So, look, I just couldn't not get these. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm living for these. Just like a really nice, like nude beige color. And I'm living for it. I have a bunch of like crop tops from Meshki that are a similar color to this, so I think I want to just pair these with these pants. Pair those with these pants. I'm really excited. As you can tell, I really liked this style of pants. Oh my gosh, I'm very excited. I don't know how many times I could say that in one video. So guys, I got another pair of sweatpants. I cannot believe I got 3 pairs of sweatpants in this video, but your girl loves some sweatpants. Wow. I think this is my this is my second IMGA purchase. So that's very exciting. This is just the Naoma track pant in black. Oh my god, so cute. Oh my god, Halloween is coming up, and I feel like I can just wear this on Halloween. You know what I'm saying? Like, just like this and this. It's just like boom, I'm good to go. I freaking love this. Oh my god, look at the embroidery right here. It just says I am Gia and like this really cool text. Oh my goodness. On the inside, it's just like kind of a rough material. Not like rough, but just like not soft. I don't even know. And then on the inside of the Shiloh track pant, it's very fuzzy and like soft. So I thought I would add that in. Oh my goodness. You just feel really high quality. Like all of these items feel high quality, like especially the the pants and the bodysuit, but honestly everything feels like really amazing, and that's why I always shop at Tigermist, because the quality is insane, and when they have these crazy sales I literally go insane and buy everything on the website. Again, at the bottom it has like the little elastic scrunchy thingy, but it's like a thinner band for this particular style. But yeah, I really love how it's just all black and then it has these stripes of green tie-dye all throughout the pants. It's just really cool because I've never seen anything like this in my life. So flipping obsessed with those. Ready? You guys ready for this? Beetlejuice. I love these pants. They feel like your older brother's sweatpants or like your dad's sweatpants, you know? Just like super basic. They're really tight at the bottom, but I don't really mind. I am obsessed with these. Like, oh my god, I feel like I should just be in a Tim Burton film because I love this embroidery. Oh my god. Obsessed. Yes. So guys, this is the next top. This is just the Sweetheart crop. I was honestly shook how, like, I don't even know, like how tight this top is, but you know what? I'm not mad at it because it's just so like form-fitting, and Tigermist clothing just always makes your body look snatched. So yeah, and I actually love this paired with the black and green sweatpants. It looks so good, and it's kind of giving me like Christmas vibes. Literally obsessed with everything that I got. So yeah, I will always shop at Tigermist. I friggin' love Tigermist so much. Anyways, I hope you guys really enjoyed my unboxing and try on haul. Let me know which item was your favorite. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.